Are you coming to the tree? They strung up a man, they say, who murdered 3. Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree where a dead man called out for his love to flee? Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree where I told you to run so we'd both be free? Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree where a necklace of hope side by side with me? Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree where I told you to run so we'd both be free? Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree where they strung up a man, they say he murdered 3? Strange things that happened here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree where death and call out for his love to flee? Strange things that happened here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree.
As innovation and population increases, do we still care for the plants? Do we still give enough importance to all the living things, specifically the plants? Or are we blindfolded by our needs and superiority that lead to selfishness and self-welfare? Are you aware of plant blindness? Are you aware of all the abusive behaviors and deterioration that humans bring to plants? Illegal logging, deforestation, kaingin, urbanization, air pollution, water pollution, and genetically modified organisms. Do you ever wonder of its consequences? Unhealthy foods that causes different diseases, global warming, depletion of ozone layer, climate change. If you aren't aware of this, then you are plant blinded. Most people in most cities in the world can't even name more than a few plants, their scientific names, and sometimes even their common name. They don't even know their importance and benefits to humans. There's a name for this inability to notice or recognize plants in one's own environment: plant blindness. Part of the reason for this is that urban dwellers have been separated from nature. There is a disconnect between us and the environment, and we're blinded to the natural world around us. According to James Wondersea and Elizabeth Schuschler, 2 botanists, our inability to see and notice plants is because they lack visual attention cues. Humans have also placed themselves above animals and plants for centuries. In Valenzuela City, one of its streets was named Mabolo. Namesake came from the mass of mabolo trees that is used to distinguish the area. Mabolo was once abundant in that street, but now only one living tree remained in the said street due to the urbanization that caused by plant blindness. They are not aware of its health benefits and medicinal uses. Decoction of the bark and leaves of mabolo have been used to treat cough, stomach pains, fever, and skin ailments. Also, it is used to treat diarrhea, heart ailments, hypertension, and diabetes, or snake bites.
Why is plant blindness a problem?
Without a basic knowledge of plant structure, function, and diversity, there is a little hope of addressing these problems. Children who are not taught about plants have an incomplete knowledge about the world around them. They grow into adults who don't care about the environment and the natural resources we rely on every day. They lack of in-depth plant sciences education in schools that perpetuates the problem, as students do not know that there are various careers in the plant sciences. Without well-trained scientists, many potential threats such as the effects of global warming and devastating plant diseases could be missed. Is it possible to solve plant blindness? Yes. Countries must prioritize scientific and social education about plants among children. For example, direct experiences allow people to connect with plants on a cognitive and emotional level. Parents can encourage their children to plant some vegetables and then cook dinner from the harvest. Go and visit botanical gardens around your city. It's a great way to open your eyes to the existence and value plants. Governments have a role to play too. This involves using activities such as agriculture and biotechnology to generate economic output. They must work to develop existing plant scientists, funding access to next generation technologies, and good communication strategies that show the importance of plant scientists would all be useful approaches. About 2,000 new plant species are discovered or described every year, many of which are already on the verge of extinction. Some areas in the world still have a large diversity of plants, including several unique species, but only a few of them are actually legally protected. Overall, research has identified 1,771 important plant areas in the world that need urgent conservation action. We can still make a difference if we conserve, protect, value, and respect our source of oxygen, food, resources, and our survival. Our micro actions can make a macro impact not just to the plants and mankind, but also to our planet Earth.
I conserve.
I protect.
I care. I value. I love.
I act.
I respect. I lead.
I am no.
I am no plant blinded.
We make.
We make. We make. We make. We make. We make. We make a difference.
Happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree? Are you coming to the tree where dead man called out for his love to flee? Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree where I told you to run so we'd both be free? Strange things did happen here.